is Jessica Fernandez. I live in Fairfax Station. I want to upgrade my kitchen just because this house is big, but my kitchen was very small. It was really dark. It was dark. The house is beautiful. However, the kitchen, we always have this issue with the kitchen. Always a small, dark. I found BullRun kitchen and bath through internet. I was looking up and I did see about some reviews that caught my eye, and well, we decided to kind of have an idea on what they do. My husband and I, we are very simple people. We're very simple people. We pretty much know white and black. But Matt, he helped us with the selections, with the colors, with the materials. He helped us the whole process. I cannot stop talking about him. He's been amazing during the whole process. When we started this whole process, we didn't know what to expect. We didn't know how this process was gonna be. However, when we entered through it, they asked us to kind of move the things from the kitchen away so they can have space to work, of course. But we didn't know. We didn't know it was gonna be so easy. The guys came, do their job, they clean up after themselves. We didn't even feel them, pretty much. And this has been for almost a month and a half, I will say, and we did not feel them. My favorite part of the kitchen definitely will be the island. We love the island, the colors. My kitchen now is white. It wasn't before that way. Now it's white, it's clear. I mean, I have lights, we have lights all over now. And I think it came from the kitchen. Usually the lights come from outside. My kitchen, the lights come from inside. It's crazy. The reason why we wanted to do the kitchen is we pretty much spend most of our days in the kitchen. Even though the house is big, we spend the 5 of us, myself, my husband, and my 3 kids, in the kitchen. I don't cook, my husband does. So we love to spend time with him in the kitchen. The 5 of us, and we just love it. We thought that it was gonna be very small for the 5 of us. However, it worked just fine. They're very honest, very professional. Very helpful. I will suggest something to Matt and he won't just tell me, oh, yeah, we will do it your way. He will give me his point of view. And I like that. He will give me his point of view. No, I recommend it this way. And I like that. He just didn't say, oh yeah, whatever you do, we will do it. No, he saw this kitchen as his own kitchen. And that's what I like the most about it.